Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get the QR code of a particular product using the Zara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Then you should click on the store mode that you will see in the upper right corner of the screen. Now scroll down till you find a click and find option and tap on it. Then you should type in the kind of product that you are looking for. Then scroll down till you find the one that you would like to get the QR code of. Tap on it. Then click on help that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen, and now the QR code appear to you. This is really helpful because when you are searching for this item in the store, you can show this to the store staff and they will help you to find the item. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.